Good morning, guys. So let's go ahead and begin on Wednesday. See, I'm already on canvas for Wednesday, so let's go ahead and do bell work. We're doing examples today. So, bell work, got the words examples. Great Wall of China, pretty easy. Famous tacos, yes, definitely. Walls, not waffles, although waffles would be great. Okay, spell things, but either way. All right, so you see famous walls. I wonder where you can find a famous wall. Okay, so just type in famous walls and you're good to go. The terracotta soldiers, there really isn't any. So if you're okay with putting none as examples, I'm okay with taking that as an example. All right, there really isn't anything out there like it. Okay, it's kind of a unique thing. The mandate of heaven. Mandate of heaven is unique because it's somewhat different, but not really different if you look at the overall scheme. Is God's telling people to write down their beliefs on paper. What other people do that where they have God's telling them to write maybe 10 things about them that they need to follow as rules, and or maybe it's God telling them to write a book about how they should live their life. All right, so remember, mandate of heaven is very much the God's telling the emperors this is how to live their life and this is how to do it. What other textbooks out there that have that kind of sort of, hey, God's telling this is how you should live? If you need a hint, religion. Okay, the last one, calligraphy. It's a writing system, so other ancient writing systems. So you have the Egyptian, Indus Valley, and Mesopotamia that we've talked about, or other writing systems that you might have known from other ancient civilizations. All right, so that is pretty much the bell work. So today you're watching John Green's crash course. So go ahead and click on it. It should be approved by piece of mobile right there. Doesn't not sign in account, so make sure you're signing in your reasonable account. You see John Green there. One of the things I tell the kids in class, not focusing on everything he says, but focus on one thing you might not have known about the Chinese dynasties, because he does talk fast. If you want to slow him down over here, you can go down the playback speed at 25. It's pretty interesting watching him. It's funny. I don't know how much you can get from it. So just watch it at normal speed and try to pick up one thing about the dynasties that you may have not known or we haven't really talked about in my notes. Okay. So once you watch that, I've uploaded notes again. For some of you who have already turned in, good. Make sure you guys have followed along with what we're doing. These online notes here. I do a voiceover on each slide. So these notes have 2 more dynasties. So if you go ahead and click on that, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep posting the same notes, but I'm going to add more to the voiceover. So yesterday I went over the first 3 there. Now I'm going over the Han and the Song, and then tomorrow I'll go over the Mongol, the Ming, and the Qin. Okay, so right now you can see I have a voiceover down there. You can play it there, all the way down, okay, to the Song, same thing. Okay, with voiceover, but then it stops once you get the Mongol, so you see no voiceover. I will have that uploaded for you guys tomorrow, same thing like we're doing today. I will have the rest of the dynasties uploaded, so then you guys can take care of the notes, and then you can turn them in. All right. Now, some of you have already started to work on the timeline part of the notes. The timeline doesn't work anymore. Flash player doesn't work anymore, so do not worry about that right now. I will tell you what you need to do tomorrow on this video. Okay, and as always, if you need help, just Skype or email me, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. All right, have a good one.